Hello, welcome to Unboxing with Bill. My name is Bill Hirschinger. I'm the Director of Engineering at Standard Electric. Today we have a Finders with us, which is a very good occurrence. I think we've had three times with Finder, but we have a new person and a lot more attractive than Chad. Her name is Kelly Burns.
Yes.
Kelly, give us a little update on how long you've been with Finder.
Well, I've been with Finder now for roughly a year and a half. So I'm the regional sales manager for the Midwest. And I like to call myself Chad 2.0.
Oh boy, I like that.
I don't know if that's good or bad, but
I
we'll
don't.
roll
Yeah,
with it.
we'll see. Yeah, well, it might be an acquired taste thing. We'll see, Kelly. So.
One way to find out.
But what do you have for us today? I see a box that looks like you dropped it a couple times, maybe rolled it over with a car. What is it?
I'd like to thank my apartment building for that. But
Let's open her up.
Open it up.
Let's check it out. You didn't, hopefully I won't stab nobody here.
Oh, no,
Watch out! Be careful. Watch out! That's a bad cut. Don't worry, we're not hurting anybody. I don't think yet. Looks like we got some boxes. Ooh, the OPTA. I have seen the OPTA before. Another OPTA.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like a a little wall wart or something, or I guess we'll see.
So
what should we open first?
let's see. Let's open this one first. You have the honors.
Okay.
So as you know, we came out with our OPTA series about a little over 2 years.
OPTA?
OPTA.
Yeah, I didn't know what
We're
the
from
real
Wisconsin, so you know,
Yeah.
OPTA. Except this one wasn't a mistake. This is a good product.
name. So I really liked it. I like the concept. Tell us a little bit about what's so good about this product.
So having a little bit of time in the market, we realized that when it comes to kind of the programming side of things, you want to make sure it's easy to have an industrial OEM building automation process for programming.
So before we get into program, what is this device?
It is a programmable logic relay.
Okay,
So similar to a PLC, but we like to call it just a super smart relay.
excellent.
So the version you have in your hand right now is actually our latest version, and that is
And I see CODESYS here.
that's the ticket. That is the key indicator to the second series now within the AA series. So now we have partnered with CODESYS to use one of their 5 different programming languages.
So now this is a target for CODESYS. Thank you. Because with the other version with, what was the programming language?
Arduino.
Arduino. And they had different flavors of ladder, of different type of industrial, us PLC programmers are familiar with. But now with CODESYS, it'll make it a lot easier. There's a lot of platforms that use CODESYS. And that's the reason you did this, because you weren't getting a lot of.
Well, it's kind of we build our products for what's in the market and what people really utilize. So some people were familiar with Arduino, some people were more comfortable with CODESYS. Now we give you the options, that way it is easy, it's versatile, it's powerful, and you're getting a lot more bang for your
So
buck.
will this product do CODESYS and Arduino?
No, it'll be exclusive to
Okay.
the version that you have. So if you were utilizing the Arduino prior, you cannot kind of mix and match.
Okay.
You have to stay within that
Okay.
side.
Fair enough. Anything else on this particular product then? It's basically the same as the other one, the Arduino version.
So it is going to be kind of our top tier version. So with our previous version, we had kind of the good, better, best
Yep.
when it comes to kind of the features and functions. This is going to be our advanced version. So
And
right
this
now,
does have Modbus connectivity still?
Modbus, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth.
Okay.
So this is going to be kind of the top version that we have, and that's the advanced version.
Excellent. What else do you have?
Let's keep on adding on to it.
Let's do that. These are, it looks like, according to what I see, expansion modules.
Expansion modules.
So I see a little connector on the side.
So that's how you're going to connect it. You're going to connect it through that aux port right there. And what's interesting
here.
about the main module is that you're going to have kind of for your inputs.
This comes
and your,
off.
Yeah, you just
And
kind
then
of clip it out.
Yep.
And then you can connect it right on in.
So what different flavors of I/O expansion modules do we have?
So with your main, you have kind of your 8 and 4. You can have up to 5 expansion models with your main. So that, if you're looking at digital, you can have, 80 and 40, or if you're looking at analog, you can have 30 and 30.
Holy smokes, that's pretty impressive. And it's all 24 volt DC, and right?
Yep, so you got
powered.
the 12 to 48.
Right, okay.
But then, I'm going to unbox this one because
That's
this is
fine.
actually my favorite one. Now you have a little 1/2 amp power supply too as well. So oddly enough, these are actually selling outside of our actual.
Are they really?
series. Yeah, I actually have a lot of our customers that purchase a lot of these, and actually I think there's been a few standard electric customers that have purchased them too.
Very nice. I like the way that they made up, and they look. And the size is awesome. And Kelly, thank you very much for this. And always make sure to contact your account manager and get a hold of Kelly or the rep that we have in the area for Finder. And I really appreciate you stopping by and watching Unboxing with Bill. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.